I'm working the moldings that are installed on the rails, on the side rails and front and back rails. Have this molding here embedded on this side and around the legs, and then mitered, so it completely goes around the piece. Same thing for this molding up here at the top, which is a little bit smaller. I'm in the process now of making that molding, and I'm using a molding plane, an old molding plane. And the type of blade here that I'm using, you can see that molding shape. This works really well. Just takes a while. I'm gonna keep cleaning it out. Let's see. I'm hitting the dog here. Let me see if that'll help. Something, I guess I'm hitting this. Now I'm hitting this one up here. Let me see if I can adjust that. Let's see if this support can come in a little bit. Boy, that works fast. And I gotta get some of that stuff out of there. I'm not rounded, I'm still flat on the top of the bead. Now we're gonna get that rounded over. So it's rounded almost up here at the top, but down here at the bottom, I'm still flat. I'm rounded right in here, but back here I'm still flat. I just want to get it rounded. That's as far as I want to go. rounded, and this is rounded, and so that's it. Now I just bandsaw these edges off of here and to fit into the groove that I've created in the side rail.